What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video today. Listen. Today, I have acquired a new job. I will be working at the Mexibilly's. You mind your business. I will be working at the Mexibilly's food truck. We're about to be serving people, and excuse me, that's a phone call. During my intro, let me start. I told y'all I was getting a new job, right? Well, look, okay, I never did. I never told y'all. But today, we'll be working at Mexibilly's food truck. You best believe I'm about to be a server again. So, yeah, we get to serve a bunch of kids today. And, yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Come on.
What's that?
Oh, that smells really good. What is that?
Jalapeno relish my mom makes.
Jalapeno relish?
Y'all can smell it. Only you can smell it.
When Mexibilly comes in your town, you better jump on it, I tell you. If I haven't told you, well, I'm telling you now.
Say that again. So this is
Okay,
buffalo sauce, like
that's
it's
buffalo sauce.
made. Wait, no. The barbecue
These are
sauces
made by
are
my mom.
okay.
This is the spicy one. This is the red one. And then this is her chipotle lime ranch. And this is her chipotle lime ranch mixed with my dad's cilantro lime sauce.
Whoa, he makes this cilantro lime sauce. Oh snap!
You'd probably love that since you like cilantro.
I love cilantro.
Are you struggling?
I am struggling just a bad, but I'm getting this milk jug out. Oh, here we go. Yes. First task completed. Milk jug, possession in Olivia's area.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing it, if you don't mind me asking?
This will be our fifth year. Fifth year this year. So, yeah, a lot of work. I mean, but it is cool. It just takes a lot of work.
Y'all, you already know this is good. We got a food grade rating A. You best believe it. Delicioso. On this menu, what do you feel like is your best seller?
Nachos.
Your nachos?
The nachos would be, quesadilla would be the second. Our locos asada would be the third. Buffalo wrap would be the fourth. And then Itro tacos would be the fifth. And gordos is last.
Really?
And for gordo, it's like a barbecue sandwich, but a lot of toppings. That's why we call it the gordo, because it's got so much on it. Okay.
And then the quesadilla with chicken. You want pico?
Please.
And you want the jalapenos?
Please.
How much? Like this much?
That the same. I mean, you know, I don't. This is me trying for the first time. Okay.
You're right. I gotta be on my A game.
1 minute and 30. I'm timing you now. That still looks like a good quesadilla.
Nice crust on it.
Who's getting hungry just watching this?
Me. Oh, yes it is. Pork burns.
Alright, y'all. About to try this delicioso quesadilla with this is the cilantro lime ranch or cilantro ranch. And all the kids here, they're but let me think. I put my food sauce first, and then I'm gonna dip it in the sauce and try it. Y'all, it just smells so good. I'm gonna cry. And it's spicy. Got cheese dripping off of it. Sorry. I dipped it in my sauce, my ranch, my chipotle ranches. Yo, this is so gas. This is so good. Whoa. Y'all sleeping on this. Y'all are sleeping on Mexibilly's. If you don't have one near you, oh, you probably don't. Well, look, and you better follow this food truck around. I tell you, you better be behind it. Beep, 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 beep. This is too good. And this is my second bite. Third. Alright, y'all need to go because I'm gonna enjoy my meal in peace. Shoo. Go ahead. Again, you will not go wrong eating here because I'm loving it. Oh, was that McDonald's slogan? Oops. Better than that. Better than McDonald's. Okay. I'm gonna finish eating now. Y'all, mind your business. Again, shoo. Alright, y'all. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that you saw. I hope you are super duper hungry. Don't forget, keep God first, love yourself, love others, and y'all already know. I love y'all. Don't forget to eat at Mexibilly's. Later, y'all.